We talked about yesterday him leaving Medina. How difficult it was for Husayn to leave Medina, the beloved city of his grandfather. He's made his way now with his women, with his family, with his small children, and today he arrives in Karbala. Some Maqtal say that when Imam Husayn on his Zuljana reaches a northern part of Iraq, his Zuljana stops. Imam Husayn tries to make the Zuljana move, it doesn't move. Some ulama have said that they changed 7 different horses, but not one of them would move from this northern desert in Iraq. And it was very ajib for Zuljana to not follow the command of Imam Husayn of all people. But we see this instance of the Zuljana not moving one more time in the story of Karbala. Asra Ashur, his ashab are gone, his family are gone. He said his khulafasi to his women. Bibi Zainab mounted him on his Zuljana, ready now to give his life in sacrifice for this very, very noble mission, but his Zuljana would not move. Hey Zuljana, I know you're tired. Hey Zuljana, from morning to night you've been with me. Hey Zuljana, you've carried body after body, mayyat after mayyat, shaheed after shaheed. This one akhri zahmat, this one last zahmat, just drop me in the Maidan of Karbala, you're free to go. The Zuljana would not move. The more Imam Husayn pleaded, the Zuljana would not move. And at that moment, the Zuljana lowers its head, a tear dropping from its eyes, almost as if to say, Mawla, I'm not tired. Mawla, I'll serve you for as long as I can. I would love to take you to the Maidan of Karbala, but your 4-year-old Sakina is clutching my legs. Where are you taking my Baba? Whoever you've taken has not come back. Second of Muharram, Imam Husayn arrives in this northern desert in Iraq. The Zuljana would not move. He summons the Bani Asad tribe. Tell me the name of this land. Mawla, some call it Nainawa. Mawla, some call it Shatul Furat. Is there another name? Is there another name? Husayn wants to hear a certain name. Abu Zorga Senior comes and says, Mawla, my ajdad, my forefathers used to call this land Karbala. When Imam Husayn heard that, he said, Abbas, pitch up the tents. This is where our blood will be shed. Abbas, pitch up the tents. This is where my Ali Akbar will give his life. This is where my Qasim will give his life. This is where my Abbas's arms will be severed. This is where my Ali Asghar will be buried. The tents are patched up and the caravan now is unloaded. And then Imam Husayn summons the Bani Asad tribe. You've all heard the Masaib. You know it before I do. He has a very ajib conversation with this tribe. He breaks them up into 3 different groups, Imam Husayn does. Oh men of the Bani Asad tribe, there's going to be a battle here. We're going to lose our lives here. If you can, please bury us. Dig up a grave and bury us and our men. Your men, bury our men. And then he went to the second group, put up a partition. On one side, the women of the Bani Asad tribe. On the other side, Abu Abdullah al-Husayn. All women of the Bani Asad tribe, if your men are not able to bury us, there's going to be a battle. We're going to lose our lives here. If you can collectively, all of you women, just dig one massive grave and simply place our bodies inside that grave. And then he went so far, my Muslim mullah went so far to grab the small little Masoom children, children of the Bani Asad tribe. Come, picks one up, kisses one, hugs one. Are you a Muslim? Yes, we are. Do you recite the kalama? Yes, we do. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah is my nana. I am Husayn. There'll be a battle. We'll lose our lives. If your parents are not able to bury us, then please imagine the Mazlumiyat, small children, please, with your nanne masoom hands, pick up the khak of Karbala one by one and just drop it on our bodies. Why does my Muslim mullah feel the need to tell the men to bury him, tell the women to bury them, tell the kids to bury them? Who does that? Somebody passes away here within an instant. Now the team is ready now. Burial is done. Nobody ever calls the team and says, please bury my father, please bury my wife, please bury my husband. It's given. Don't worry. Some things don't need to be said. But my Muslim mullah felt the need to tell 3 different groups, bury us, bury us, bury us, because he knew for 3 days on the hot plains of Karbala, not a kafan, not even clothes on his back, Husayn was left unburied. Matam ya Husayn, ya Husayn.